Você tem problemas para escrever e-mails em inglês, se confunde todo na hora de colocar uma sequência e muitas vezes os gringos acabam perguntando detalhes que você achava que já tinha passado. Para tudo, você precisa de estrutura, estratégia para escrever e-mails em inglês. Para de usar o Google Tradutor, vamos aposentar essa ferramenta, porque você vai economizar tempo e ser muito mais objetivo. Vem comigo que nós vamos falar e apresentar uma forma incrível de escrever e-mails em inglês. Para você que não me conhece, eu sou a professora Carol Buzon e sou especialista em ajudar executivos a falar inglês com confiança aí no trabalho. Neste canal eu ensino você estratégia, dicas, como falar inglês, como ser entendido da melhor maneira. Eu tenho experiência corporativa, eu trabalhei com importação e exportação e eu sei muito bem a importância de se escrever e-mails com objetividade, clareza. Então, vamos começar a aula, que a aula de hoje nós vamos aprender a estruturar um e-mail muito objetivo, efetivo, que vai trazer resultados e economizar tempo para você. Bora para a aula? Let's go! Hello, hello! Welcome to our course, Business Emails. This course will help you, will guide you to speak English better, to be better understood, to save time, especially when you write emails. In our class today, we're going to see how to structure a great email in English, how to organize your ideas inside the email, and consequently, to be better understood. When you save time, when you speak clearly, when you have your layout objective, the communication flows better. So let's cut the chat and go to the final destination. Let me share my screen with you as you can see the structure of our class today. In our lesson, lesson 4, we are developing more effectively the points, developing the main point in English, how to organize and explain the body of email. I know sometimes, as you are fluent in Portuguese, in your native language, you want to have more details, but be careful when you use this structure to translate into English. Sometimes the same structure you have in Portuguese, it cannot happen in English. And that's where the mistake happens. The misunderstanding occurs. Look the content. We are going to learn the structure, paragraph, bullet points, clear headers. We have connectors, and in here, I want you to pay careful attention. Firstly, in addition, as mentioned previously, therefore, they are really important connectors. When you use connectors in English, you make gringos happy because they understand your thoughts. Remember, if you are an English learner, you know that English is very objective. We don't have these round and round conversations as we do in Portuguese, so be clear. The next one, context and clarity, using regarding with reference to as agreed. So let's go. Remember, and here very important, further and farther. Further is more detail. Ensure and assure. Ensure makes something happens. Assure comfort someone. Those expressions are very confused, especially when talking about this layout. Look at the examples. Firstly, we would like to thank you for your support. In addition, we have attached the updated documents. Two actions in a very smooth and organized sequence. Firstly, in addition, you use these structures to help you be better understood, to help you for the gringos to pay attention on you. Look at the completed mails. The first one is from logistics, and the subject, shipment timeline and next steps. Dear Miss Fernandez, firstly, thank you for your ongoing partnership. As mentioned previously, the revised shipment timeline is now confirmed for August 15th. In addition, we have arranged for express customs clearance to avoid delays. Please see attached document outlining all stages of the process. Let us know if you have any further questions. Best regards, Tiago Moreira. Come on, analyze this email. How beautiful it is. Every time you are on your routine, you want to have organized things. It saves time for you. Look email number 2. It's from Human Resources and the objective onboarding process overview. Hi, Lara. With reference to our meeting yesterday, I've outlined the onboarding process for the new hires below. Access to the internal system will be granted within 24 hours. Equipment will be delivered by Friday. Their welcome session is scheduled for Monday at 10. Please ensure the team is informed. Thanks again, Felipe Duarte. Objective, clearly, more intimacy with the person, not so polite. Not so polite, no, the code is informal. Sorry. It is polite, but the code is very informal. And look at the last one. It's from finance, and the subject is the budget allocation for Q4 projects. Dear team, as discussed in last board review, we are adjusting the budget allocation for Q4. In particular, marketing will receive a 15% increase to support the product launch campaign. Therefore, finance should prepare updated forecasts by next Wednesday. Let me know if you foresee any issues with this timeline. Sincerely, Amanda Lee. So cute, this email, as discussed in the last board review. In particular, blah, 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 blah. Therefore, let me know. So structured. All these 4 sentences, 4 expressions in your next email will make a big difference. So I have a mini challenge for you. Of course, in this platform, you can download the PDF for the classes, PDF for homework, and now it's an extra one. In this class number 4, I'd like to keep in mind every time you write an email, you need to have a strategic structure. First, after that, therefore, as previously mentioned, finally, please use and abuse on these words. They guide you, they comfort the people that are reading, and it's more smooth, clear what you want to say. So next time you can write an email, keep this in mind, be prepared and much more polite. You will see fantastic feedbacks after that. Let me know here, right in the platform, your feedback. I'll be really happy to know about it. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you at the next one. We are on lesson 4 and next one will be lesson 5. See you there. Bye! Caso você ainda não esteja inscrito no canal, por favor, ative o sininho, se inscreva, assim você recebe um alerta sobre os próximos vídeos dessa série. Escrever e-mails em inglês. Vamos otimizar o tempo e escrever e-mails efetivos. Thanks for watching. See you at the next class. Bye!